Lunix LX3 cordless electric hand massager with compression, 6 levels pressure point therapy massager for arthritis, pain relief, carpal tunnel, and finger numbness, shiatsu massage machine with heat. While other hand massagers hurt your sore fingers due to strong pressure or just break after a few weeks, the Lunix LX3 pressure point therapy massager provides an intense massage and is 100% adjustable to your own needs. The LX3 hand massager offers 6 levels of massage and intensity, combines compression, heat. It provides a gentle warmth, around 104 degrees Fahrenheit, enough to relax and enhance the benefits of the massage, and vibration to offer you the closest feeling to a real hand massage. You deserve pain-free and relaxed days. You want to get rid of finger numbness and joint pain, relieve arthritis or carpal tunnel pain, and relax your hand after a long day at work. We have designed the most efficient finger and palm massager with heat for your needs. Whether you do manual labor, play an instrument, type at work, or play sports, you will feel its wonders on your tired hands and enjoy a relaxing mood with this hand massager. Our mission is to improve your wellness. Our premium hand massager uses acupressure therapy by compressing the hand, stimulating acupuncture points, and improving blood circulation. Over 300 hand physical therapy patients have successfully tried the massage tool and experienced decreased arthritis pain and faster recovery after carpal tunnel surgery. The perfect gift for a loved one. If you're looking for a great gift that has an innovative, life-enhancing factor, then you'll love our cordless heat massager. The unique and sleek design with shiatsu technology can fit into vibrant home decor or professional office desks. The soft inner cushion ensures 100% comfort, and the tingling sensation is normal during any kind of massage. Charge it once and you can use it for hours without worrying about cords or plugs. You deserve only the best quality. We are a family-owned and operated company based in California, and we pride ourselves on offering only proven, top-quality products and incredible customer service in the USA to our community of hard-working Americans. If the product stops working, we recommend checking the connection between the USB port and the USB charging cable or using another charging plug. https://healthy1.life/hand